Hey, what's up, crypto fam? What an uh, what an interesting past couple weeks what we've had, breaking through the all-time high for Bitcoin and then pulling back. Um, Now it's looking like we're dropping a bit. With all this institutional investment coming into Bitcoin, though, I'm not sure that we'll have our typical bull market 30% plus pullbacks, at least right now. I could be wrong, but we may have already seen our pullback for this current move, and we may head higher, up towards mid to high 20,000 range for Bitcoin. Um, I mean, if you take a look at the macro picture here, um, we see MicroStrategy, who's poured in, $500 million into Bitcoin already, and now we recently see that Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, is looking to raise public funds for equity and MicroStrategy to the tune of 400 million, and now he recently said even more, to buy Bitcoin. And the trend that I'm seeing here is with MicroStrategy, Square, PayPal all accumulating. Um, I think as Bitcoin continues to surge higher, companies that buy Bitcoin on their balance sheet will drastically outperform the tech companies that don't. And this will kind of put some pressure on tech companies that haven't quite purchased yet to buy in order to maintain an evaluation um, that PayPal, Square, and MicroStrategy will get. So what I'm seeing here is that along with the crypto bull market in individual crypto assets, I think we'll see a dot-com style bubble that will form in the stock market, um, with various different tech companies that buy into Bitcoin and have it on their balance sheet. I think MicroStrategy themselves is almost becoming a Bitcoin ETF because they have nearly the amount of Bitcoin that Grayscale has. And with this upcoming raise, if this does in fact happen, um, they'll basically become the equivalent of a Bitcoin ETF. And many institutional and retail investors that don't know or are too lazy to buy Bitcoin in and of itself, um, may just buy MicroStrategy, as many have been doing with GBTC. Um, but I think that as we see Bitcoin appreciate further and further, as 2021 happens, um, these tech companies are more and more of them are going to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now, I think there will be a trend in the middle to late 2021 as well, where companies will put Ethereum on their balance sheet as well. So, um, very bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum going forward. So, keep hodling and buy the dips. Peace.